In our computer-aided design and manufacturing subjects, let us see what is components or elements of FMS. There are four basic components of FMS, that is workstations, material handling and storage system, computer control system and human resources. In case of workstation, we have loading and unloading of station. In this loading and unloading station, raw work parts are loaded and finished parts are unloaded. In this case, it may be done manually or by automated material handling system. The second one in our workstations is machining station. Machining station is nothing but automatic tool change and tool storage use of work parts are carried out in this machining stations. Next, moving on to the assembly. Assembly operations are performed by flexible automated assembly workstations. In this case, this flexible automated assembly workstations is used for replacement of manual workstations. In this case, it is used for products made in batches. Next one is inspection station. Inspection can be done at specific inspection station or at machining workstations. There are three methods of inspection. The first one is CMM, that is coordinate measuring machines. Second one, special inspection probe. Third one is machine vision. Then moving on to the other processing station. In this case, sheet metal processing and forging processing are carried out. Next element of FMS is material handling and storage system. In this case, it consists of functions of material handling, types of FMS layout and types of handling equipment. In this functions of material handling system, we just use the work parts movement, that is movements of work parts is done between the stations, is carried out between the stations. And next, handling variety of work parts, storing the work parts. Next, conveniently loading and unloading the work parts. All this done in functions of material handling system. Next, in case of FMS layout, there are 5 types of layout. First one is inline layout, loop layout, ladder layout, open field layout and robot centered layout. So this can be explained in the further slides. Next, moving on to the types of handling equipment. There are handling equipment can be classified as industrial trucks, conveyors, cranes, industrial robots, automated guiding vehicles. With the help of this handling equipment, we can handle the materials. Next, moving on to the computer control system. It consists of functions of computer control system. What are the functions of computer control system? In this case, we process the workstation or control the production, control the material handling, workpiece monitoring, tool monitoring and locating the tool exactly, and quality of tool and safety monitoring, finding out the failure equipment and taking out the preventive measures. So performance monitoring, all this done in this computer control system. And moving on to the FMS data files. This FMS data file is used to create a program routing file, that is according to the program the workstations are processed. And next, part production, each and every part is processed according to the program. Next, tool life monitoring, all these are done in this FMS data files. Next, FMS performance report, all the reports indicating the utilization of resource, production performance resource, tool reports, availability of machines, all these are listed in this performance report. And finally, human resource. In case of this human resources, all the loading and unloading of work parts are carried out. Tool changing and tool processing, tool settings are done by our human labors. And next, equipment maintenance, repair, creating a part programs and operating according to the program, overall maintenance, all these are carried out by our human labor. So these are the various components of FMS. Thank you.